I salute the divinity in you. My name is Sangeeta. I am the founder and designer of Ita Bonita fashion line. As you can see, Ita Bonita has both jewelry as well as the clothing line. And then you know that I have done the, so log into my website to see who I have designed for it, just for the day-to-day women like yourself. But then I started from the size 16, which is I am perfectly size 16. I am 165 pound, 5'4", and then average American happened to be this size, so I crafted for them. And then size 10 to size 20 is what I'm servicing now. So the major ingredient, so Ita Bonita has three major ingredients: mind, body, and soul, right? So as far as body is concerned, it comes under the under the department of the fittings, how how I have used manipulated the patterns and the colors, the design elements to make our body structure look like a princess, to get that princess vibe, right? To feel that comfortable. So Ita Bonita I call is this comfort chic and princess vibe. That's how I really want you to feel, feel very comfortable and get that princess vibe. And then when we are in this body, like 100, when we are about 145, our anatomy really start to shift, because we start accumulated a little fat in the maybe tummy, and then in the areas, in different places. And then that's why ordinary fitting clothes start looking very difficult. It doesn't really fall and feel comfortable in the different parts of the body. So that's why Ita Bonita is really focused on how to make you feel comfortable, irrespective of the bodily structure that we have right now. And then how, and still you feel the great about your existence, feeling that princess vibe, it falls great. I have used the best of fabrics to drape well into the body type like this. And then, so our second ingredient is the psychographic of the color. And we are running this series on the psychographic of the color. And then third ingredient, as you know, is the knowledge of the self, which comes in a treasure tag, that whatever the color that I have used, I have combined that color with who we truly are. So then I have combined what color can do with who we truly are, and then make it a kind of a mantra, self-empowerment mantra, so that you can use to shift your own energy, to recharge yourself, to energize yourself, to reprogram yourself. Because the clothes or the jewelry is in your hand all the time. You can see it, you can feel it, and it's very easy for you to reprogram. Because if it is just by theory, it's difficult, right? You tend to forget. But this is in your body, so then it's very easy for you to remember, to memorize, to to repeat the affirmations, to reprogram. And then what you think about is what you become, right? So whatever your predominant thought is, that is what you are going to end up becoming. So very simple mathematics, and then so you don't have to even I have to remember do this. No, I mean, let's say whatever color or whatever the treasure tag is mentioned as per the color, you can just repeat, feel it, you feel it, you have it, behave, become, right? So it's just is a very easy law of attraction kind of thing that I have used to help you get to connect with yourself. My whole idea is, as long as you know yourself, you find the love within you, I'm done. As long as you understand the treasure that you are, I am done. That's whole my idea is. So now we are running the whole series on the psychographic of the color, and then now we are discussing how pink. See, I am dressed up in the pink. I have, this is ruby gemstone ruby, which is, gemstone ruby. And then also I have rose quartz. I have a rose quartz with the, dark pink tassels. And then I have rose quartz here, the ring, and then I have moonstone. So this is how I have prepared myself to discuss about the color pink. So I will introduce you color pink till whatever you can do. You'll be amazed with what you find with the color pink. Oh Lord, I'm very excited to share what color pink can do for you.